Yeah, so we started where you had a calf, the right calf was significantly atrophied, right? From the Achilles rupture.
Right.
That's how we started.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the, sorry, I can't hear you on the volume. I don't know what's going on.
Hold on 1 second. Okay.
Probably hear me better without the headphones.
Oh yeah.
Can you hear me better?
Yeah. Yeah, now
Okay.
I can hear you.
Okay.
The beginning, right? The beginning, you had the Achilles rupture because you were playing football, right?
Right.
And
Okay. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
yeah, how long ago was that?
This was about 4 years ago. 4 years ago.
4 years ago. So you had this issue with the Achilles for 4 years,
Yes.
right? And have you done the PT after you got injured, and then after the surgery?
No, I didn't do any PT.
You did not do the PT, but you
I did
always
the
had
PT on
the,
my own.
okay, but you always had the pain there that was residual, right?
Yes.
Okay. And that's how we started at week 1. And when did you, so talk about this journey a little bit. So like, when did you start to see the body feel different? What week was it for you?
I really start noticing the difference around, I would say like week 7, 8, around that time. Pretty much like kind of like midway through, I started to feel definitely a change in my body.
And the level of adhesions dropped a lot, right? Because we, in the beginning, we had a lot.
Yes, yeah. I had a lot of adhesions in the calf, foot area, and like quads, IT band area, and it's definitely has gone away. So
Good. So how do you feel now on your Achilles and also the calf?
it feels definitely a lot stronger. I definitely feel a lot stronger in the calf and Achilles area, and a lot more endurance in my in the calf Achilles area also.
Did you test it out yet? Like, did you play any sports yet, or you're just trying to finish the 12 weeks first?
I wanted to finish the 12 weeks first, and then go from there.
Okay. Okay, cool. That's good. But how about your day-to-day pain? What was the day-to-day pain like for you on the Achilles before?
Um, Definitely at worst a 10, and beforehand. Now it's uh, little to no pain, pretty much. Because I mean, in my job I do a lot of standing, so
You're
it's like little
EMT,
to no
right?
pain. I'm sorry.
Your work as an EMT, right?
EMT, yes, a lot
Right.
of
So a
standing.
lot of standing. So now, let's say if you stand like for like 1 to 2 hours, is there any pain in the Achilles?
Um, I think little over an hour, not in the Achilles, but more so like I would say like the I think we talked about it before, like the area where I have like a groove, some like a little bit of the heel, but anytime I hold tension, it starts to go away. So I usually, when I stand now, I hold tension in my feet, and I'm able to stand for long periods of time.
Right. Perfect. So it was started was a pain. Some days was a on a level of 1 to 10. It was a 10. That's how much
It
you
was a
felt.
10. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Well, we did our work, and the calf now it's more symmetrical. It's way more symmetrical than before, right? You saw the before and after,
Yes.
and the glute. Do you feel you have more loose connection on the weaker side where you ruptured it?
Yes, I definitely started noticing, especially once I got the technique down, and I was able to perform better with having better technique. I felt it a lot more of the sensation in my glutes, more so in my calves.
Okay, perfect. So it's more glutes than the calves, right?
Yes.
Before it was difficult, right? Before I think we were doing like 15 seconds, 20 seconds, single leg, right?
Yeah.
But now we're
Yes.
doing what? We're doing like 50 seconds to a minute.
Yes. Close to a minute. Yes.
Yeah, so that's like almost like 4 times as much load as before.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Cool. Any differences? Any how do you feel your body this week in terms of the overall condition?
I feel what's the word? I feel pretty much stable, more stable than times past, and I'm able to um, go through my day-to-day activities pretty much with little or no issues. So I definitely feel major improvements through the training.
Great. Would this be something, let's say you have a family member, would you, and they had the same type of injury, would you be able to say like this is something that would work for them?
Oh yeah, most definitely. I would say it's something that I guess it's like a well kept secret, I guess, in a way, because nobody really even realized that we have fascia. So I
Yeah,
would say that it's pretty much a well kept secret, and something that people don't really realize, and it gives them a direction that will help them a lot more than they can realize. So I would definitely recommend this for family and friends. Um, if they, especially if they kind of lost and like how I was, didn't know where to go to, and really was trying to find some type of hope. And this training was definitely something that gave me something to look forward to in the future. So
yeah.